Hey guys, got a 2026 plate Toyota Yaris here. Just going to show you how to adjust the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash. Make sure your ignition or engine is switched on. Then from here, just make sure you're on the home screen. Then go to the settings button in the top left hand corner. Then go to time. Then from here, you can change the time zone, daylight savings time, and your time formats. Now, if you want it to automatically set the time for you, you have auto adjust GPS on, or if not, turn that off, adjust your time, then press back to save.